punya lo berai ke no bi dengar di Batabon Angro di Aceh. Yo pendidikan Aceh. Pendidikan dah pendidikan Aceh yang lain tak dengan pendidikan Jawa. Pendidikan Aceh. Tujuan daripada pendidikan Aceh untuk pelahir manusia Aceh. Apa makna manusia Aceh? Apa yang paling
I ready to fight until I dead to get our own land.
They're battle-hardened, young men from North Aceh. They drill and train like the disciplined force they are. After all, the Free Aceh movement, or GAM, has operated a guerrilla force for almost a quarter of a century. Their commitment for so long is based on a belief that the Achenese are the oppressed. Only through armed struggle will they ever be liberated.
Where are you getting the M16s from?
M16s, that's we always take from Indonesian alone, the Indonesian military. Yeah, before they kill us, we have to kill them. When the men who we kill we dead already, and we get this.
Shoot them, steal their weapons.
Yeah.
They do the same to you.
Yeah, of course.
GAM has been buoyed by the independence breakthrough in East Timor. There, like here, the separatists claim Indonesia is a bully boy who should get out. Many of these men have lost everything in the struggle, so they've got nothing to lose.
Some of them, they have lost their properties, and some of them they have lost their families. Every Achenese in Aceh, they support us. They support the Free Aceh movement. From the villagers, from the farmers, from the businessmen, all of labor.
Unlike East Timor, though, there's little or no international support for the Aceh separatists. First-hand the success of the rebels' village recruitment program.
Dan terima kasih beraya tat ulun tuan kun.
We find 60 new recruits. 5 from each of the nearby villages are starting their first day of training.
Sebagai sebuah bangsa yang merdeka, ubah dunia. Pakiban bangsa gop merdeka, getanya payah merdeka cit. Pakiban bangsa gop maju, getanya payah maju cit lagi bangsa gop. InsyaAllah akan maju. Istirahat!
For the next 2 months, these recruits will train in preparation for life as guerrilla fighters under the Free Aceh flag. The reluctance of the international community to back their cause has prompted the Aceh rebels to seek support in unsavoury and provocative places like Libya.
For us, we got 2 chances. The firstly, our men can study in Libya. The second one, our men can train the military trainings in Libya. Yes, they got both. Yeah, what we need.
Neighbouring Malaysia too has served as a secret rebel training ground. These recruits don't know how long the struggle will be, but they're digging in for a long haul.
The Timorese can get independent after 20 years, but our struggle also after 20 years. Maybe the next year or the next times we will become independent.
Dengan wali negara.
In Aceh's bitter struggle, another generation is preparing to fight for freedom. Their faith is in their God and their glorious cause. Despite the odds, they may still have a chance.
Harta lun,
pendidikan Aceh, hanya itu kepentingan nasional Aceh. Ya lagi ulang aja di Pulau Aceh. Mereka kayak di buji kelami Jawa dari kampung di. Buji gerani, buji senamu lidah aja. Buji ketaruh nyaru aja.